हाय, दिस इज सुमित एंड यूर ऑल वेलकम टू बैंगलोर रियल एस्टेट। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं प्रेस्टीज पाइन फॉरेस्ट के बारे में। ये एक नया प्रोजेक्ट है जो प्रेस्टीज लॉन्च कर रहा है व्हाइटफील्ड में। आज हम इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बहुत डिटेल डिस्कशन करेंगे, जहाँ पे कि हम इसकी लोकेशन, इसकी प्राइसिंग के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे और हम ये भी डिस्कस करेंगे कि ये प्रोजेक्ट किन लोगों के लिए है और किन लोगों के लिए नहीं है। तो पहले हम लोकेशन की बात करते हैं। ईसीसी रोड जो है व्हाइटफील्ड में, वो एक बहुत ही सॉट आफ्टर लोकेलिटी है और उसके काफ़ी रीजंस हैं। ईसीसी रोड जो है यहाँ पे व्हाइटफील्ड की सबसे प्रेस्टिजियस स्कूल है, डीन्स अकेडमी, वो ईसीसी रोड में प्रेजेंट है। और ईसीसी रोड में एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट स्पिरिचुअल सेंटर है जिसका नाम है ईसीसी, जिसके नाम से इस रोड का नाम भी आया है, वो प्रेजेंट है। और काफ़ी सारे अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स इस रोड में हैं। और ये जो रोड है, ये जो पर्टिकुलर लोकेलिटी है, दैट इज़ सराउंडेड बाय लश ग्रीन ट्रीज एंड लॉट्स ऑफ ओपन स्पेस। सो वाई दिस लोकेलिटी इज सो सॉट आफ्टर इन व्हाइटफील्ड? ये जो पर्टिकुलर रोड है वो ओवर क्राउडेड नहीं है। यहाँ पे आपको ट्रैफिक नहीं मिलेगा और यहाँ पे आपको बहुत लश ग्रीन सराउंडिंग्स मिलेगी, बहुत सारा ओपन स्पेस मिलेगा। एक बहुत बड़ा पार्क और एक बहुत बड़ा गवर्नमेंट का प्लेग्राउंड जो है वो ईसीसी रोड में ही आता है। मेट्रो स्टेशन इज जस्ट 1 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम ईसीसी रोड, विच इज काडुगोडी ट्री पार्क मेट्रो स्टेशन। ITPL is again 1 kilometer from ECC road, and there are a lot of hospitals near this locality like Manipal and Swastha Hospital. There are 2 centers of Manipal which you can easily reach in 5 to 10 minutes from ECC road. So this is the reason this locality is so sought after. This locality is considered one of the most prestigious locality in Whitefield. तो अगर हम Prestige Pine Forest की बात करें, it's a 9-acre project, right? And there are only 300 units in this project. तो आप सोच सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे कितना ओपन स्पेस है और कितनी लो डेंसिटी लिविंग आपको यहाँ पे मिलने वाली है। और इस प्रोजेक्ट का जो डिज़ाइन है वो काफ़ी अलग है। इट इज़ नॉट इवन इन लग्जरी सेगमेंट, इट इज़ इन अल्ट्रा लग्जरी सेगमेंट। देयर आर मेनी एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट that are quite unique. One aspect is privacy. You and your neighbors, your balconies will never be facing each other. This project has been designed in such a way that everybody's balcony is facing towards the open area. Second unique feature about this project is your unit will be open 270 degrees. So basically your unit is open from 3 sides and you are getting a 270-degree views from any unit you select from in any floor, irrespective of the floor as well. So this is quite a unique concept. This has been designed keeping your privacy in mind. Third, you're getting 3 car parks with any unit you go to, which is quite rare. Most number of car parks that most builders offer is 2. तो one unique feature of this project is its garden trail. एक आपको यहाँ पे एक garden trail मिलेगा which will be surrounded by hundreds of trees and you can spend quality time with your loved ones in the open surroundings of this project. इस प्रोजेक्ट में आपको 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK और 4 BHK कन्फिग्रेशन मिलेंगे। एंड यहाँ पे जो डायमेंशंस है वो करीब 2700 स्क्वायर फीट से स्टार्ट होते हैं और 3500 स्क्वायर फीट तक के डायमेंशंस आपको मिलेंगे। तो जैसा कि हमने बोला कि ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो अल्ट्रा लग्जरी सेगमेंट में आता है, इसीलिए इस प्रोजेक्ट में सिर्फ बड़े डायमेंशंस के यूनिट्स अवेलेबल हैं। इस लोकेलिटी में बहुत सारे अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट हैं। तो मैं आपको कुछ नाम बताता हूँ, कुछ फेमस प्रोजेक्ट्स के नाम बताता हूँ जो इसी लोकेलिटी में है। The one most famous project here is Prestige Waterford, जो कि again it's from Prestige, and this project was launched just before COVID, and now this project is completely sold out, and people have kind of already started moving in this project. And this project was quite a hit because of the location, because of the quality of construction, and because of the pricing as well. The other project that is a new project that is coming up in this area from another developer is Vaswani Starlight. Vaswani Starlight is also a good project, doing really well because of the location, but that project is in a different segment and Prestige Pine Forest is of a different category. There are other projects of Prestige in this locality and they are all sold out now. They are doing quite well and they are really great societies to live in. Now let's talk about why this project is a great choice for you. Let's say you or your spouse or someone from your family works in Whitefield and there is someone in your family who works in MG Road and you have school going kids in your house, right? Now you work in Whitefield, you can stay here, and if someone from a family works in MG Road, they can catch a metro which is at a walkable distance from this property, and they can easily reach MG Road to their office on a daily basis. And school going kids, if you have, there are so many schools just in the vicinity of this particular locality. As I said, Dean School is right opposite this property. So this project brings a lot of convenience together with luxury as well. So this is why this project makes a great choice for someone who wants a spacious living in Whitefield. Now we should also discuss about the cons of this property. One con that stands out is the condition of the roads in this particular locality. Since there is a bit of construction going on in this locality, The roads need a little bit of repair. And secondly, in the peak hours like morning and evening, you might find a little bit of traffic on this road because of the vehicle movement, because of the construction, because of the schools. There are a lot of school buses on the road. So yeah, these are the only cons of this property. Apart from that, this is a great choice for investment. Let's say if you want to invest your capital in a property, then this property is a really great choice. There are two reasons for that. One is the appreciation and second is the rental yield. When it comes to appreciation, I'll give you an example. There is a property called Prestige Waterford, 200 meters from this property. That property was launched in 7,000 rupees per square feet. Now that property is demanding at least 15,000 rupees per square feet. So there has been an appreciation of more than 100% in last 3 to 4 years. The Prestige Pine Forest will also attract appreciation of 100% in 3 to 4 years. This is something that we are estimating, and this is a very conservative assumption. We might see more than 100% appreciation depending on the real estate market. The rentals that are already prevailing in this particular area are around 65 to 70,000 rupees for a 3 BHK, irrespective of the builder. Even lesser known builders, the properties of lesser known builders are attracting a rental of 65 to 70,000 rupees for a 3 BHK. So for this kind of a property, for Prestige Pine Forest, you can expect a rental of 1.5 lakh rupees to 2 lakh rupees for a 3 BHK after the handover of this property. अगर आप बैंगलोर की प्रॉपर्टीज़ में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं और आपका बजट 3.5 CR से ऊपर है, तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी चॉइस है. और यहाँ पे जो हमारे यूनिट्स हैं, जो 3 BHK 3.5 BHK हैं, वो स्टार्ट होते हैं अराउंड 3.7 CR से, and जो 4 BHK है, they start from around 4.5 CR. So in this video we have tried our best to give out all the information, give out an honest review of this property, and in the future we will bring you more reviews of different properties in Whitefield, different properties in Bangalore, and we would really like to hear from you any feedback, any queries. Our team will be really happy to help you out in your queries, your concerns, or for anything related to buying a home in Bangalore. So yeah, this is Sumit, and we'll keep in touch. Bye.